We're on our way to Vegas.
Yeah, but there's a car over there too. Look. It's on the side of the road. Are you okay? Oh no,
Damn.
All these cars.
There's a little
all
chain
these
reaction.
Cars, all these cars. So we here in the Bellagio. Just checked in.
We don't have a lighter?
No, I didn't bring it.
You didn't bring the lighter?
No.
Damn.
I thought we were gonna smoke it in the car.
Oh, we don't smoke in the car.
But
So yeah, we at the Bellagio right now. Last time we came, we stayed at the Cosmo, which is just next door actually.
very, very nice.
Very nice.
this
It's
one-
alright. I think the
one's-
Cosmo was better.
yeah. This one's
But
okay.
anyways, came back to check out some things that we couldn't check out. First and foremost was the Hoover Dam. When we came, it was closed. I was pretty bummed. I've never been. And yeah, I guess it's open now. So I'm gonna go check it out before they close it again. So let's go, cause I'm hungry.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Alright, we're here at White Castle. We came here to Fremont. Yeah, boy. Tell me what your name is. Hey, yo.
So hard.
Wait. What's cracking? Look at you.
Oh my.
Shout out to the homie Adrian. We're out here getting some drinks and playing some slots. But I'm waiting till the lady gets here first. We do not know how to play blackjack or what? Poker or
Poker, Russian roulette.
Russian roulette. Not yet at least. So once we do, we're stuck with the slots.
But it's all good as long as they got complimentary drinks. It's all good.
It's been about 15 minutes and we still have not gotten a drink. We've done nothing but lose money.
Oh, come on now.
This is what we ordered for dessert. I have no idea what it is.
Vegas. Vegas. Didn't work. Did it work? Yes, it does.
Yeah. They have a statue of you. I really hope they don't make sushi out of these fishes.
Damn, it smells crazy. I know I ain't tripping, that shit just blinked at me. Yo, what's going on, players? Good morning. We are waking up just barely. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. We're
So we about to get ready, and I think head over to the Hoover Dam. I think they open in like 30 minutes or something like that. But yeah, never been there. Let's go check it out.
Alright guys, so we finally made it out here to the Hoover Dam, and believe it or not, I could be in 2 states at one time.
So that's Nevada. Now I'm in Arizona, baby.
Where we are, before there used to be a line here and they used to have Nevada and Arizona on the street, but they did all this reconstruction and covered it up. So
And it's not there anymore. It used to be right here.
it's pretty sad. I don't know if y'all ever seen the movie Fools in Rush, but there's this scene like every time she passed Arizona to Nevada, she would like grab a little gold coin and like throw it over the Hoover Dam and make a wish. It's a good movie. You guys should check it out.
They say it's good fortune to rub the toes. So let's rub the toes. Oh yeah. Let's get the nails. Let's get the nails.
Do the other ones. So we came here to this statue. It's called a high scaler. It's just an example of how these men or women would go on the side of these mountains and build all this. When you're walking around the Hoover Dam, you actually do see like all these holes in the wall from them like climbing in and building all of this craziness. Do y'all have the balls to hang on a mountain like this? Right here they got the time in Nevada, and then at the other one they have the one for Arizona, which is an hour ahead. So it's currently 1:57, so if we head over there it'd be 2:57 in Arizona.
So let's go travel through time. We are time travelers.
Skipping a whole hour.
Yep.
A fun fact about me is I'm not too good with telling time on the clock. But here we are, the Arizona time clock, and it says it is 3:01.
So yeah, on like 3?
Yeah.
Well, it says honestly like 2.
So their clocks are wrong. We're gonna call them out on that.
Who knows though? We'll see around.
It's pretty cool being here because you're able to be in 2 states at once, you know, jump from Arizona to Nevada.
Virgo,
baby.
what did Damn, that is so high.
Love it. Well, that was
From the
best.
comfort of our bed.
Now we about to smoke a J. I forgot my mask in our hotel room. Now I have to hold this. I'm wearing my ear warmers as a mask. What has the world come to?
Oh yeah. Alright, so right now we are on our way to where Tupac got shot. And as you can see, they already, look, bam.
We're right here on East Flamingo.
So I guess this fool got shot right here at the light. Either that side or that side.
What's up?
And I guess people just came to say what's up
Oh, look.
and pay the respect. So here it is. So people have written all over it, like just like all over it.
The crazy thing is, we just put gas in here at this gas station earlier, not even realizing that we were right here. Rest in peace.
They even got recordings on the tree.
It's like all. It honestly makes me so sad to be right here. Don't you feel?
What? Vegas?
No, like right here in this spot. It sounds weird, but it kind of hurts your heart, you know? Because he could still be alive, so. We made it. We found it. What you doing? Give you a little close up. See you back with the surprise of pizza, baby.
See you back at the Crocodile Pizza paper.
We on a mission to get some Chick-fil-A.
Hopefully they're open. It's 11 o'clock at night right now, so